Hi, this is Pleasure from SaleSource, and in this video I'm going to give you a very quick run through of the app and its most popular features. However, I'm not going to be able to dive into too much detail, so if you have any other questions, make sure you connect with us via the chat or get more information from our other videos. Let's go. So the first thing that we can do is, if we go down to the features here on the sidebar, we can analyze Shopify stores. So we can choose which country we want these to be seen in. So let's say the United States. And we can either sort these by the newest or the oldest, or who's receiving the most traffic, or who has the most products. Right, so if I want to get data from one of these stores, I just simply click here. And we can see how much money they're making each month. We can see which countries they're selling in. We can see what their most popular products are. And we can also see when they're receiving the highest amount of traffic. We're also able to analyze Shopify products, looking at which is the best price and the best supplier to buy from. Download these images and add it to our store right here on the SaleSource app. Lastly, I wanted to show you the amount of data you can receive when searching on AliExpress. So we can see down here on this sidebar or bottom bar, and we can look at the amount of sales this product has received, the countries that it's the most popular in, the suppliers selling this product. Like I said, there are so many things to show you on SaleSource, so feel free to check out our other video tutorials or book in a call with us so we can show you exactly how it works. Thank you so much for watching this. We would love to hear from you, so if you would like any more information, make sure that you contact us using our live chat, or you watch the rest of our videos and drop a comment below.